Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use auto captions over on the Inshot app. So in order to use auto captions on the Inshot app, the first thing you need to do is open the Inshot app just like this, and then you will most likely get some pop-ups with basically advertisements or just other notifications which you can just click away. Once you've done that, you can basically just click on video right here, and then you can choose any clip you want in order to use auto captions. Do note that you need to have audio in that clip in order to actually use auto captions. So I'm going to use this clip right here and then click on the check mark. Once you've done that, in order to add auto captions, you can literally just click on text right here, captions, and then you have auto captions right here, and you can either choose the captions from the audio source or from a voiceover, and you can also change the language of which your auto captions are spoken in, just like that. And once you've done that, literally all you need to do is click on start right here, and you will either need to pay for Inshot Pro in order to unlock this for unlimited basically. What you can also just do is just click on unlock using this advertisement button, and you will need to watch a quick advertisement and then you will also be able to use it. So I'm going to click on this advertisement button. Alright, so after a few seconds of loading for that advertisement, we are right now currently in the auto caption process, and we can literally see that within seconds we got our auto captions. We can literally see right here that these are our auto captions, and what you can do is simply click on it in order to actually edit them in case the auto caption did something wrong. You can also of course change the color, change the text style using a border, shadow, label, opacity. You can also add a nice animation, which is just also extremely cool. But yeah, that's basically how you can use auto caption over on the Inshot app. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.